where would we be without the generous time and effort put in by volunteers? One garden in particular owes a lot to a dedicated band of helpers.
The aim of the Barossa Bush Garden is basically to preserve the local Barossa species of plants. In the Barossa Valley, the native vegetation consists mainly around about 2 to 4% that's left or need to be protected, and the seed need to be collected and therefore propagated and somewhere to plant them.
Well, this is one of our patches of running postman, which we put mats under to collect the seeds this time of year, and as the pods pop open, they spring open in a little spiral and fling the seed out. Only take a small amount of the seed because the birds and the lizards and ants all like to have their bit too.
And then they propagate that seed. They then have to pull out those little seedlings, pot them up, get them going into the nursery. A certain number of those plants go back into the bush garden as well. We have a number of display gardens. We have an Australian display garden. We have an Eremophila display garden. We have other display gardens that specifically highlights Barossa species. The idea of the display gardens is to show to the general public how they can use Barossa native plants in their own home gardens. Being a volunteer is a fantastic job here. It puts lots of smiles on lots of people's faces. We all come from various backgrounds, and so we kind of share a little bit about our own lives, but the main thing, we all have a very passionate interest in propagating the plants, getting the plants going, and then also maintaining the plants here in the garden too.
For more information about the wonderful Barossa Bush Garden, simply head to their Facebook page.